Here's my introduction video for one of my courses. Now I want to show you how you could go about and represent this on Twitter. Let's have a look. I won't show you the whole animation, but it is 1 minute and 7 seconds long. We can use only 30 seconds. What you can do now is upload the video as it is and then work on it inside the Twitter video manager, or you can make it 30 seconds in your own video editing program. Let's do the first one first. I'm here in my Twitter account and I'm going to say tweet. And then under here you see add photos or video. We're going to add a video. Here's my video and I say open. Standardly it opens at 20 seconds, so I will make it into 30, which is the maximum. And now you can look for which part you want to take off your movie. It sort of cuts 30 seconds off. If you play it, and then here you see it sort of ends with 30 seconds. By changing this part, you can start somewhere else in the movie. You see, now you can start here. Well, you get the idea. It's a maximum of 30 seconds. You can put in any video that's not over 512 megabyte and then select your own 30 seconds on the timeline. This is the first way. For a more accurate way, I would use a video editing program. I work lots of times in Camtasia. But you can use Movie Maker or whatever video editing program you use. Let me show you how I do it. I'm now in Camtasia Studio and I have imported this movie. And here you can see, if you play it, you can just take the first 30 seconds. Let's go there. More or less 30. Then what I could do is say, let's play it. And look for the exact moment that I want to stop it. So I'm going to stop it before the red. Now I'm going to cut it, and what I'm going to do here is fade out in audio so that it becomes a little bit better. See, now the music is fading out. This is now selected, delete, and I'm going to see if I can take a little bit off the front so that it's just fitting into the 30. And maybe I should do something with the music too, with a fade in. Now let's see what we have. Now you have a more pleasant way of making these 30 seconds work for you. I have tried to use Movie Maker, but it's in Dutch, so I thought maybe I better do it in Camtasia. On the Mac, of course, you have ScreenFlow or whatever program you are using for video editing.